Hello, good afternoon. First, congratulations. I was moved by everyone's performance. I guess my question is, sino yung responsible for the lighting? Because the use of lighting was actually genius in this performance. I don't know if anybody noticed, no? Pero every time that somebody would say something like yung sa interrogation scenes ng kada isa, light bulbs would light up, and then yung sectioning ng set just to put focus on one spot versus the other. And also yung mindset ni Mary when she was I guess trying to find a way out of this murder, or I guess homicide anyway. It turned red. So ang ganda nun. And then she cried nung okay na yun. Ay parang like yung lighting na normal na, who's responsible and what was the inspiration for that kind of treatment?
Of course, kasi sa Guild, that student, tapos wala kaming, hindi naman kami theater arts major, wala po kami theater arts course dito sa FEU. I give them instructions, ito yung mga gusto ko, ito yung mga kailangan natin. Tapos, sila na yung gumagawa, like sila Arvin, our technical director, student. Tapos sila James, yan, so sila. Kasi sa sound, sila rin yung magbibigay, itong music, parang hindi, give me something new, something ano. Sila rin yung nagde-design ng music, para ano. Tapos, ang pinaka-last part kasi is the Last Supper. It's the red color.
Yes, I also noticed na red siya. Yes. So, I was saying to my head, the lighting is really on point here.
So, parang ang process namin, sila lahat talaga nagpapatakbo. Tapos, edit lang. Tangan yan. Ayoko na. Except natin to. Yung mga ganyan. Bati, ito kasi pinakamahal eh. Kailangan may bati-bot. Kasi, yun yung mga process namin sa ano. Tapos, kanina kasi nagkakagulo. Dapat gumagana yung oven, hindi na kaya ng load. So sabi ko, bahala na. Ganun. So yun, sila rin nag-decide in terms of the looks, the design, kung may enhance pa. Tapos minsan, madilim dito, lagyan natin ng konti. Yun. Tapos, yung mga ganyan, very provincial eh. Pag gano'n, yung top light kasi, parang, top light, interrogate. Ng probinsya, ilaw mo sarili mo. So, kahit sila nagkakamali din pag yung timing. Kaya, may ganun habit sila ngayon. Kailangan ganun. So, collaboration talaga.
Or the idea of ilaw sa itaas na silang umihila, your idea or theirs?
Sa akin po, tapos,
okay.
tinadapt din nila sa ibang scene. Ganun.
Yung ilaw niyo talaga ngayon, wala yung professional help, sila lang.
Wala po.
Oh my God.
Kami lang ito gumagamit sa part of before. Kasi po. Kasi wala, pero may LED, pero kasi...
Biglang umilaw yung ilalim, oh my God.
Lahat po ito recycle ng mga production kasi po mayroon pong protocol ng FEU na dapat recycle lahat. Ito po, pag pumunta po kayo sa gilid, may tambakan po doon. Doon po kami nangungunga ng mga bansa. O hindi po gagayahin ng FEU, hindi gagayahin. Ikaw recycle kami. Kasi hindi naman po malaking budget. Pero lahat po sila design. Costume namin si Aba. Naganap siya ng mga pictures talaga ng 90s. Ano pa yung exact color? Di pa nga namin nakuha yung tama. Pero okay na yan. Para silang time to this, di ba? Yun. I mean, sa totality po talaga, it's really the students who are really working for that. Sila po, yan. Marketing siya.
Alright, so we will be entertaining at least 3 more questions.
Yes.